So, how we are going to start our class with welcome song, है ना? So everyone say loudly along with ma'am. Okay? चलो, let's start everyone. Come on, and I am looking at each one of you. Ma'am को सब पता है कौन क्या कर रहा है. Who is saying it or who is not. ठीक है? Let's start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone. Welcome once again to this new and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Okay, chalo. Now, kids, we are going to sing We Shall Overcome today. All right? Chalo, let's start. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. We shall walk hands in hands, we shall walk hands in hands, we shall walk hands in hands one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. All right. Jeet, you also have to do. Now, kids, we are going to sing national anthem. So everyone stand up. So as ma'am told you, whenever we sing national anthem, that is Jana Gana Man, or whenever national anthem is being played, okay, कभी भी अगर कहीं national anthem बजता है या हम sing करते हैं, तो you have to stand straight in order to show the respect. Uday, you also stand up. And I request to parents also, whoever are visible on the screen now, please you also stand. Chalo. Everyone, stand up, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Attention. Now nobody is going to move. Do not look here and there. Okay? Let's start. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. चलो sit down. And Ria, what you are doing? आप बैठे क्यों थे रिया? जब स्टार्ट हुआ उसके बाद आप खड़े हुए जाकर. Kids, I have an eye on each one of you. Chalo, all right. Now, chalo, let's do some exercises today. Stand up. Let's do some exercises. Come on, stand everyone. Stand up. Acha, listen, I don't want to say the name again and again. अगर आपको नहीं करना है, I'm going to remove you from the class. If you don't want to do other activities and studies and all, then why you should be here? ठीक है ना? Without saying the name, I'll remove them. चलो. Start everyone. So first of all, you have to clap. Stretch your arms. सबसे पहले stretch करो slowly. Then clap. Stretch and clap. Stretch and clap. Now fast, 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 fast. Very good. Now, stretch your arms, raise your hands like this and bend yourself. Bend. Try to touch your feet. और थोड़ी देर bend रहना है आपको. Yes. Again, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. आपकी feet touch करने की कोशिश करो without bending your knees. चलो, again, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. We'll do it one more time. Uday, you also have to do. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Okay. Now, show your thumbs and keep it on the shoulders. Shoulders पे रखो. Now, you have to move your hands forward. आगे करने हैं आपको. Forward. 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 Now, backward. 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 All right. Now, the last one is you have to run. आप कैसे run करते हो? आपकी place पर आपको run करना है. Fast, 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 fast. Come on. Gaurav. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Well done. Well done. Chalo, now sit down. Sit down. All right. So kids, let's start our class. Jasdeep, sit down, beta. Let's start our class. So, first of all, you all tell me how many days are there in a week? Now, so you should know. है ना? You all know what? Yes, 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday is the holiday. Now, let's talk about the months of a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months. Yes, Rishel, very good. There are 12 months. So we can't count on the fingers as we are having only 10 fingers and the months are more than it. Hai na? So we can't count on the fingers. So there are 12 months in a year. Let's say it together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And you tell me which month is going on? कौन सा month चल रहा है अभी? September. 9th month is going on. That is September. So today the date is 28 September 2021. What is the date today? 28 September 2021. And the day is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Kal Monday tha. So today is Tuesday. Chaitya, cover your mouth. How many times I have to told you? Told every one of you? Beta, these are manners. You always have to cover your mouth while sneezing, yawning and coughing, anything. Remember that. Okay. Now kids, let's start our class. So, today first of all, we are going to do our English work. Okay? So, in English, today we are going to learn, everyone pay attention. Pay attention here. Writing part afterwards. We'll do the writing part afterwards, okay? First you pay attention here. So today in English, we are going to learn double E sound words. ऐसे words जिनमें double E आता है. Double E. ठीक है? Double E का sound होता है E. What is the sound of double E? E. जैसे हम हिंदी में E की मात्रा खींचते हैं. In the same way, double E जहाँ पर आता है, when double E comes in any of the word, उसमें E का sound आता है. All right? So, today we are going to read double E sound words. So, first of all, before writing, get your phonic skill book. Get your phonic skill book. First of all, we are going to read the words in it. your phonic skill book, page number 25. Acha, okay, I'm writing the book name and the page number in the chat box. Acha, one more thing I want to say. Yes, ma'am, that is also there. E and A भी E ही होता है, ठीक है? But today we are learning about double E ना, that's why I'm saying बड़ी E की मात्रा. E and A जब एक आता है, then also बड़ी E की मात्रा ही आती है, ठीक है? It's like जब कभी हम Y use करते हैं, कभी हम I use करते हैं, it is like that only. Sometimes in some words we use double E and some words we use E and A. So as we are learning double E, that's why I mentioned that only. All right, ma'am. Acha, one more thing I want to tell you, parents. I am going to take the attendance after the break. ठीक है? Because मैंने notice करा है कि बहुत से बच्चे ऐसे जो first slot they used to attend and after the break वो लोग leave कर लेते हैं. So that's not fair. ठीक है? I am not going to mark present. All right? The kids who are attending both the slots, they should be marked present in the register. All right? जो एक slot attend करके next नहीं करता है, I am going to mark you absent for that. All right. So I am yes. Just a minute, ma'am. I am writing the book name and the page number in the chat box. Phonic skill book. Page number 25. All right, parents. I had written the book name and the page number in the chat box. In case of any doubt, you kindly see there. All right. So before writing, we are going to read it together. ठीक है? Kids, ma'am reads here. You keep your finger over there. First word के नीचे आप अपनी finger रखो. And parents, it's your responsibility. You make sure that they keep their finger over there. And kids, I am also watching you. ठीक है ना? So we'll say it together loudly. You all have to say. I don't want to say the name again and again, again and again. ठीक है? Pay attention there. Limakshi, Jeet. चलो. So as ma'am told you, double E. Whenever double E comes in a word, it pronounces E. ठीक है? चलो. We'll read from the book. Pay attention in your book, everyone. Look at there. Look at there in the book on page number 25. Swasti. Okay, the first word is B double E. B double E. B. ठीक है? B says B और double E E. तो B. Read it. Next. B E E P. B double E P. So B says B, double E का sound होता है E और P का sound होता है P. B E P. Beep. Beep. ठीक है? वैसे you all know how to read using phonic sound, पर जो नहीं पढ़ता है उनको भी मैम कह रहे हैं कि you always have to read using the phonic sound. It will make the reading easier for you. ठीक है? The next one, third word. D E E P. D double E P. Okay. So D says the, double E says E, or P says P. So D E P. Deep. Deep. Next. The next word is, read it. Swasti. What are you doing, Swasti? F E E. F says for and double E says E. So P for E P. ठीक है? Next line. The first word. The first is blend. आप सबको पता है GR. GR क्या होता है? ग्र, है ना? GR ग्र. So GREEN. ग्रीन. GR ग्र होता है. डबल ई से ई, ग्री और न, ग्रीन. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट HEEL. HEEL. So H says her, E-L, heal. E-L, heal. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट JEEP. 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 Read it. I'm looking at everyone and I'm writing the names also. Those who are not reading. Next, after Jeep, SEED. Chalo, try to read it, everyone. S says sir, double E says E. So सा और ई को हम मिलाएंगे तो वो बनेगा सी, है ना? देन डी सेज ड, सो सी ड, सीड. सीड जिसे हम बीज कहते हैं, सीड. नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड लाइन, फर्स्ट वर्ड. MEET. एम सेज म, एम का साउंड म होता है, और डबल ई सेज ई. जब हम म और ई को मिलाएंगे तो वो बनेगा मी. ओके, मी और टी से ट, मीट. मीट मतलब मिलना, मीट. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट वन इज PEEL. तो सेम वे में आपको रीड करना है. प और डबल ई से ई. प और ई को हम मिलाएंगे तो वो बनेगा पी. पी और एल से ल, पील. पील. ठीक है? If anyone is facing any problem in reading, now you ask me. ठीक है? The next word is QU. Quo. Double E और N says ना. Queen. Queen. देखो सब में E आ रहा है ना, because वहां पर double E है, that's why. Okay, so the word is queen. Next, SEE. SEE. C. S से स और डबल ई से ई. स और ई को हम मिलाएंगे तो इट बिकम्स सी. नेक्स्ट, द लास्ट लाइन. ST. ST कौन सा ब्लेंड है? व्हाट इज द ब्लेंड ST साउंड्स? ST स्टॉप. स्टॉप है ना? स्टॉप. देन REET. स्ट्रीट. Street. If you are facing any problem in reading the word, na, if it is a big word, then you can break it down. Advika, what are you doing? Advika. Next one. THREE. TH का मतलब होता है थ. R से रा, थ्र और डबल ई. तो थ्र में हम ई मिलाएंगे तो वो बनेगा थ्री. THREE. 3. Next one. T-R-E-E. T-R tro और double E. Tro और E को मिलाएंगे तो it becomes tree. All right. Now the last word is W-E-E-K. W says wo, double E says E, और K says ka. Weak. W-E-E-K. Weak. So did you notice? सब में E का sound आया. Why? Because each word contains double E in it. It is consist of double E. Okay. Chalo. Now take out your copies, English copy. We'll write down the words now. So first of all, before you start writing, you should write the date first. The date is 28/9/2021. September is the 9th month. That's why we had written 9 here. Advika, what are you doing? Come and sit in front of the screen. What are you doing? Why are you wandering here and there? No one is supposed to stand from their seat without asking me. If you want to go to washroom, you want to drink water, something you want to do, you just ask me. Write down in the chat box. If I found anyone that you are wandering here and there and you are not at your place, I am going to remove you from the class. Chalo, okay, bachcho. Children, write down the date. Now we are going to write down the words. Okay. So write down the date and the heading. Write E sound words. ठीक है? हाँ, श्रेयस गो बेटा. All right, चलो. Now write down the words. बच्चों, मैम आपको जैसे कहते हैं हमेशा, whatever you are writing in the copy, you should read it first. ठीक है? I hope now you are grown up. अब आप इस बात को समझते हो कि it's very important to read each and everything whatever we are writing in the copy. ठीक है? जब तक हम read नहीं करेंगे तो we are not going to learn it. All right? चलो. The first word is SEED. Sorry. So the first word is seed. Just now we had learned it in the book. मैम इंग्लिश कॉपी, डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स वाली कॉपी अलग है क्या? इंग्लिश कॉपी जिसमें हमने इंग्लिश का कर रखा है, दैट कॉपी यू हैव टू यूज. यू आर हैविंग 2 कॉपीज ना फॉर इंग्लिश. सीड. बेटा अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, रीड एंड देन राइट. ठीक है? रीड द वर्ड एंड देन राइट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज FEE. Feet. FEET. So F says fur, then double E says E. Fee. Fa में हम E मिलाएंगे fee, and then T says ta, so it becomes feet. ठीक है? Feet. Read and write. Now, number 3 is knee. K N double E. Knee. So K is silent here. Kids, sometimes बहुत सारे लेटर्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम प्रोनाउंस नहीं करते हैं वर्ड में. सो दैट इज नोन एज साइलेंट लेटर्स, जो कुछ भी बोलते नहीं है, अपना साउंड नहीं निकालते हैं. सो दे आर नोन एज साइलेंट लेटर्स. तो यहाँ पर के इज साइलेंट वन. ठीक है, इसका साउंड नहीं आएगा. के एन डबल ई. नी. In English, sometimes some letters do not produce their sound in words. बहुत सी बार वर्ड्स में कुछ लेटर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो अपना साउंड प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते हैं, जो कुछ भी नहीं बोलते हैं. So जो कुछ भी नहीं बोलेगा, what will say? Silent. So they are known as silent letters. ठीक है. So here in this word, the K is silent. K is silent here. Okay. K and double E. Knee. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. आप सोच रहे हो के का साउंड क्यों नहीं आया यहाँ पर? वाई? बिकॉज के इज द साइलेंट लेटर हियर. ठीक है, इट इज नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग एनी साउंड हियर. नी. नी मतलब होता है जो हमारे घुटने होते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज नी. से एंड राइट, आराम से उसे बोलो और लिखो. ठीक है. एंड राइट डाउन नीटली. ठीक है, पे अटेंशन और योर राइटिंग ऑल्सो. एवरीथिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. The next word is W H double E L. So WH, so you know what is WH diagram says? W. So W E L. Wheel. W E L. Wheel. Wheel. Now, after wheel, the next word is, there is one more blend here, GR, gr. This word just now we had read in the book, है ना? GR double EN. Gr E N. Green. 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 So I don't have space here, so I am writing it there. Okay. You have to write in continuity only. Number 6. Number 6 is T double E T H. T double E. T और E. T और TH. थ. Teeth. ठीक है, इस तरह से आपको ब्रेक करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू रीड द वर्ड्स. T से st, double E T and TH. थ. Teeth. Teeth. Number 7 is, now you try to read this word. CH. CH क्या होता है बच्चों? What the diagram CH says? च, है ना? च. अब हमने च में ई को ऐड करा. च में हमने ई को ऐड करा तो क्या हो गया? ची. एंड के का साउंड क. चीक. चीक. चीक हमारे गाल. चीक. Now the last word is Q U double E N. Queen. Read the word and then write. Read the word and then write. Why I used to tell every time read, read, read? Because it is very important for you enhancing your vocabulary, for your reading skills. ठीक है? जितना ज्यादा आप रीड करोगे उतना अच्छा आपको रीड करना आएगा. All right? So you have to read it and write it. Not in English. I am telling for the all subjects, for Hindi, for Maths. Done? All right. Okay, so now it's